I'm Abby Trotter. I'm the executive director of a state association called Life Science Tennessee. We're a strong emerging state for the life sciences. We have, some really strong pillars in our state. Vanderbilt University, which is the top NIH institution. We have the University of Tennessee in East Tennessee, along with Oak Ridge National Laboratory. We have a strong medical device industry, doing a lot of orthopedic medical device manufacturing in West Tennessee. So really our industry is statewide. Really great support from the state of Tennessee, really great support and a great strong ecosystem in the state of Tennessee, helping biotech companies, helping even all life science companies emerge. And we have strong mentorship programs. We have strong programs from the state of Tennessee to support life science companies. We also have our strong academic institutions as well that help them that help companies with research. We have a really strong companies that are spinning out of those academic institutions as well. A couple of other really exciting things that have happened in the state of Tennessee is our governor has put together a strong $63 million package to help recruit and retain biotech industries in the state. They're focused on creating industry and academic alliances in the state. And we also have a really strong investment opportunity in the state for emerging biotechs as well. It's a $120 million program where we invest directly in startups and high-tech companies. So we're looking to grow our industry organically through some of those great academic research companies that are spinning out, investing in them and continuing to grow in our state.